guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a lead form on Gohighlevel. Let's dive in. In the home page of your sub account, first thing you should click is go to Sites. Okay, next thing you should do is go to Forms, and then you will presented with the three options there. All you have to do is click Builder. And from here, you will have your empty folders here, but in my end, I already created some of the forms here. But let's start from scratch. So let's click Add Form and then start from scratch. So once you are already on this page, guys, you'll be presented with an example of a form. If you want to customize this one, since you want to add up some questions here that is related to your business, we can customize this. So all we have to do is first we have to put a title here. Okay, so after you put title there, all you have to do is click add form element. So in here you can have it customized. So let's just say, for example, you want to add a full name, so you can click this X. All right, so all you have to do is choose some of the forms here, or personal info. Okay, and you can add address. You can ask for address, the postal code, whatever you want to put. And okay, so aside from that, you could also go to custom fields, and you can add another question or follow-up question. Let's just say, for example, you just have to drag this one, and then you just have to add this one. Do you promise to show up the appointment and only limited times outside of examples? So the client or the prospect would just have to click any of this option. Okay, so this button here, guys, you can customize this into submit. You can change the background of the color of the letter. You can have it in a light form here. Aside from that, guys, you can also change the themes. Gohighlevel also provides some of the examples of forms that you can actually use, or you can have an idea. So when you use them, you click the use them, you can customize it into what is the thing that you want to change. Also on options, this is the title that we just changed from the first step. So this part here, guys, so once the lead already fill up the form, so this is the after message that he or she will be reading. Submit application, and many more. So all you have to do, guys, is just to play with the options here. Also, so once you click the agency branding, guys, it will show a name of the company that you are running. So okay, so once you are already settled with this part here, the form, on this part, the integrate, it will present you some of the options, or 4 options to choose from. The purpose of this 4 is you will be choosing some options as to what will be the style, or how will your form show up on the web page. So let's start from here, the inline. When the prospect scroll down to your page or visited to your page, and they will see the forms, whenever they scroll up or scroll down, the form, it will just stay as a picture there, and then they can fill up the form there. And on the pop-up, whenever someone clicked on your website and there's a button there, that will trigger them to pull up the form, so that's the time that this pop-up form will show up. And this polite sign-in, or this feature, shows for example, the prospect already visited your page, and then there's a button there that triggers to show, so it will show up on the bottom part of the page, and then you just have to click X if you don't want to fill up the form. So that's how it works. Well, on the sticky sidebar, it will show right here. So if the prospect wanted to fill up the form, all you have to do is just drag from this side, and then the form will be larger. When he want to minimize the form, we just have to drag back in. So that is just how it works on this 4. Again, guys, you need to choose any of the 4, whatever you want, it's good. Okay, let's go to this side. On the trigger type, you have 3 options here: the show on scrolling, show after, and then always show. So the first part here, the show on scrolling, whenever they scroll on your page, you just have to customize this part, guys. And this part here, show after, meaning if the prospect visited your page, all you have to do is you can customize how many seconds will the form pop up once they visited the page. Let's just say, for example, after 10 seconds, the form will pop up on the page. The third option is always show. So the pop-up form will show up. Also, activation options, you have 2 options here. The first is activation on. The purpose of activation on is when, let's say for example, I am the prospect and I visited your page twice already. So you customize this part here as to visit. So whenever I visited on the second time on your website, then the form will pop up. Okay, but if you choose 3, then I visited on the second time, then the form will not show up. It will show up on the third visit of the page. And the second options is you just have to always activate it. Third feature is the activation option. So on the activation option, this is the opposite. So let's say for example, the client has already visited your page 4 times. Then on the 4th times, after that, this pop-up form will not be showing anymore. And on the deactivate once lead is collected, it only means that once they already fill up the form, then the form will not be showing whenever they visited your website again. But again, you can choose never deactivate. Alright, and the last option that the form will show up is copy from link. So in this copy from link, all you have to do is open the link. This is just an example, show that this will be the form. Whenever you copy this link and then send it manually to your clients or leads, then this will be showing up. This is how it looks like when they visited the link or when they click the link. This is the form. No website, no emails that they received. It's just plainly a form. Okay, guys. So in this part here, guys, you want to send this form in an email platform. So all you have to do, guys, my suggestion is you have to, instead of using pop-up, just use inline because it's more professional. Since it's just stay as it is, it will not play around with the email. In order for this form to show up on your email, all you have to do, guys, is just copy, embed code, and then click done, then save. Alright, so once you already saved it, you have to go back and go to marketing, then click emails and templates. So after that, once you're already on this page, just click plus new and then click blank template and then click design editor templates. The code that we just copied, in order for it to show up here, all you have to do is drag this one code and then drag this to this page. Okay, and then just highlight this one and then delete and then paste and then click save. So it will not show right away, so you have to save templates in order for it to show. all you have to do is go back to the page and then click preview. And then you will be routed to the form that you just created. And that is how you create a lead form on Gohighlevel. If you haven't started using Gohighlevel, you can get a free trial by clicking the link below through our affiliate link. And if you sign up through that link, you'll get some free bonuses on us that are listed in the description. And if you found this video helpful for you, please like and share. Also subscribe, and yeah, see you on our next video. Bye bye.